A surge protector can save thousands of dollars in damaged electronics. But most people install them wrong. Here's how to use them safely and correctly. What a surge protector does. A surge protector blocks voltage spikes from storms, grid issues, utility switching, or even faulty devices. Spikes can destroy electronics instantly. Surge protector does not equal power strip. Power strips only give extra outlets. They offer no surge protection. Always look for a joule rating or surge indicator light. Look for joule rating. Higher joules equals more protection. For home use, choose 1000 plus joules minimum, 2500 plus joules for a TV or computer. Small strips without ratings are not real surge protectors. Use surge protectors for high-value items. Best for TVs and home theaters, desktop computers, gaming consoles, office equipment, and smart appliances. Never use surge protectors for space heaters, hair dryers, refrigerators, microwaves, or AC units. Those need direct wall receptacles. Replace when they wear out. Surge protectors absorb energy until their protection is used up. When the joules are depleted, it becomes a regular power strip with no protection. Replace immediately if the indicator light is off, the cord is warm, it smells burnt, or it has visible damage. Do not daisy chain. Never plug one surge protector into another. Never plug a power strip into a surge protector. Daisy chaining can overload circuits, overheat receptacles, and increase fire risk. Use wall receptacles, not extension cords. Surge protectors are safest when plugged directly into a wall receptacle. Avoid long extension cords unless they're rated for the load. Whole house surge protection. For the best protection, install a whole house surge protector at the electrical panel. This protects every circuit, especially during storms. A licensed electrician should install it. Surge protectors are simple, affordable safety tools, if used correctly. Protect your home by choosing the right joule rating, replacing old units, and avoiding dangerous setups. Like and subscribe for more home electrical safety tips.